Good morning students. I welcome all of you to online classes of Moral Science. This video is for class 1 students and today in this class we are going to study the subject Moral Science. So topic for today is chapter 10, Once I am back from school. Children, we have already studied this chapter. We have already done the exercises also. But still today we are going to revise it. As all of you know that annual examinations are coming. So we will be doing revision of this chapter. Once I am back from the school. So what do you do when you reach your home? Once your school gets over, what all activities you do as soon as you reach your home back? Once you reach your home, the first thing you do should be, you should keep your bag in the right place. So there are many things, many activities which you should immediately do when you reach your home. And in this chapter, we are going to study all those activities and you have to make a list of all those activities. You have to place them in the order in which you should do them. So the first point is, I keep everything in the right place. So at first you should keep everything at the right place. I keep everything in the right place. What does that mean? It means when you reach your home back from school, you should keep your bag, your shoes, your water bottle, your uniform wherever they are to be kept. Your uniform should be going for washing. It should be kept in the washing machine. Your books should be kept in the almirah. Your bag should be kept in the almirah. Your shoes should be kept in the shoe rack. So these are the things that you should do when you reach your home back. Second point is, I keep my shoes in the rack. I keep my shoes in the rack. When you reach home, you should keep your shoes in the shoe rack because when in the morning you will need them again, you will be easily finding them out. Otherwise, when you will keep them here and there, you won't be able to find them out. So second point is, I keep my shoes in the rack. Third is, I place my clothes for washing. You should keep your clothes for washing. I place my clothes for washing. When you come to the school, you wear school uniform. You should keep your school uniform in the washing machine when you reach your home back because it becomes dirty. So you should place your clothes for washing. Fourth, I take the books out of my bag. When you have kept your shoes, your clothes at the right place, then you should take the books out of your bag. I take the books out of my bag. Children, when you come to school, you keep the books according to the timetable. So when you come on Monday, you bring the books that are to be brought on Monday. You bring the books according to Monday's timetable. So when you go back home, you should take the books out of your bag because then you have to keep the books of the next day. So I take the books out of my bag. The next point is, I sit for my studies. After having the lunch, taking rest, you sit for your studies. I sit for my studies. finished doing all these things, when you have kept your shoes in the rack, when you have placed your clothes for washing, and you have taken the books out of your bag, then you sit for your studies, because you have to complete your homework and you have to do the revision or learning work. So I sit for my studies. Then what do you do next? Next point is I complete my homework. I complete my homework. Children, these are the activities in the correct order. You have to do that when you reach your home bag. What is the order in which you do these activities? So we are writing according to the points only. So first one was I keep everything in the right place. Then after that you have to keep your shoes in the shoe rack. You have to place your clothes for washing. You have to take the books out of your bag. You have to sit for your studies, and then you have to complete your homework, because when you go to school, every subject teacher is giving you some or the other homework. You've been given written work, you have to do your written work. Then some teachers give you oral work, oral homework. You have to read the chapter, you have to learn the exercise. So you complete your homework. So after that, what do? After that, we have to arrange our books for the next day. When you have finished your homework, then what do next? You arrange your books for the next day. So next point is I arrange my books for the next day. I arrange my books for the next day. It means you will be putting the books of the next day's timetable in your bag. You have to arrange your books according to your timetable of the next day. So we have already studied 7 points. Next point is I go to play with my friends. So what do you do after completing your homework and arranging your books for the next day? You go out for play. I go to play with my friends, because after you complete your homework, you need some rest. You need some things that is enjoyable to you, so you go out to play with your friends. I go to play with my friends. But when do you do this? Only after completing your homework and arranging your books for the next day. Next, I come back and take bath. Next point is I come back and take bath. So children, this is very important when you come out after playing, because when you go out for playing, germs, dirt, you get dirty and germs stick to your body. So this is very important. When you go out to play, when you come back home, you should take a bath so that your body gets clean. Next point is I thank God for the day. After you come home and take a bath, then you should thank God for the day. I thank God for the day. So this is very, very important, because when you finish your daily work, playing, eating, finishing your homework, you do all these things, you have to thank God also, because this is very important. Thanking God is very important. It is a part of a prayer. So when you come back home and take a bath, you have to thank God for the day. Next point is I eat my food. So now it is night time. So it is dinner time. You thank God for the day, that God has given you all the things you needed. God has given you this beautiful day. God has given you this life, each new day, and many more things. So after that you will eat your food. So next point is I eat my food. I eat my food. After thanking God, you will dinner. You'll be having your dinner. And after that, the last thing you are going to do is go to sleep. I go to sleep. So children, the question in the exercise is, place all the activities that you do once you reach back from home from the school. So first point was, I keep everything in the right place. Second is, I keep my shoes in the rack. Third is, I place my clothes for washing. Fourth is, I take the books out of my bag. Fifth point is, I sit for my studies. Sixth, I complete my homework. Seventh is, I arrange my books for the next day. Eighth point is, I go to play with my friends. Ninth is, I come back and take bath. 10th point is, I thank God for the day. 11th, I eat my food. And 12th is, I go to sleep. So these are all the things that you have to do. You should follow this list and you have to do all these activities in this order only. Then only your life will become disciplined. Because in order to become successful in life, to grow more and more in your life, you should follow a proper set routine in your life. When you do these things in the same order, then only you will be successful and achieving something. So children, I hope you have understood this chapter well, and this was a revision of chapter 10. We have already finished the exercise. So your homework is, you have to learn these points in the same order I have taught to you. You have already been given this work, so I will be uploading this video. You can watch it once again. If you are feeling any problem in understanding it, you can watch the video again. Thank you so much for watching.